So you got yourself a pair of Beats Flex wireless earphone and are ready to listen to music and take phone calls. Now you might already kind of know how to change the volume, but not sure how to use the buttons to play, pause, skip music forwards or backwards, answer and or reject a phone call. So this complete beginner's tutorial covers all the button functions to control music and calls. So first we need to check the buttons from this left side case with Beats logo. That is your volume button. So the side near the Beats logo is the volume down and the opposite is volume up. While there is music playing, you can turn up and down volume by pressing on these buttons. Now to explore some other functions, let's check out this multifunction button at the bottom of your left control module. So while there is a music or video playing on your parent device, pressing once on this button will pause and another press will play the music. If you're on a playlist to skip to the next track, just quickly double press on the same button. To skip to the previous track, quickly press 3 times. Before we talk about phone calls, I want to let you know that you can raise voice assistant from this exact same button. The long press on this same button will raise the voice assistant like Siri, Google Assistant, or Bixby if it's a Samsung phone. Now let's talk about phone call. When there is a call, you gotta press once on this multifunction button to answer and also end the call. If you don't want to take the call to reject it, just press and hold on this same button. Now when you're done with the call or with your workout, and if you take off your buds, they will magnetically attach and the music will automatically pause, just like this. And that's pretty much all the button functions that you can perform with your Beats Flex wireless earphone. Thanks for watching.